In this video, you'll learn how to send Bitcoin from Moonpay to an external wallet. Following these steps will ensure a smooth transaction to your desired wallet address. Begin by navigating to the Moonpay website. You can do this by entering the URL in your browser's address bar and pressing enter. Once the homepage loads, you'll be greeted with a clean interface that provides options for buying and selling various cryptocurrencies. Next, locate and click on the home button found at the top of the page. This action will refresh the view and ensure you are on the main dashboard of Moonpay. You should see various options for purchasing cryptocurrencies displayed prominently on this screen. After that, click on the buy button. This will direct you to the buying section where you can select the type of cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Ensure you are positioned on the right page that showcases the available options for buying. Now click on Buy Crypto. This option will lead you to a new screen where you can choose which cryptocurrency to acquire. It is important to verify that you are still on the correct section that focuses on purchasing crypto assets. Then click on Buy BTC to specify that you want to purchase Bitcoin. Once you select this option, you will be taken to a page that highlights Bitcoin and its associated buying details. Confirm that this is the correct cryptocurrency before proceeding. Continue by clicking on Select Asset. This step will present you with a list of popular tokens, including Bitcoin. Ensure that the list is visible and that Bitcoin is among the options displayed. Next, click on Popular Tokens to filter the assets available for purchase. This action should reveal a selection of commonly traded cryptocurrencies. You will want to see Bitcoin listed among these tokens before moving forward. Now, click on Bitcoin. This will direct you to the specific page for purchasing Bitcoin. Confirm the page shows Bitcoin prominently to ensure you are making the right selection. At this stage, type in the amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy. Ensure that you enter a valid amount, as this will determine how much Bitcoin will be sent to your wallet. Verify that the amount is appropriate before you continue. Once you enter the desired amount, click on Continue with Bitcoin. This action will process your request and take you to the order confirmation page. Be patient as the system processes your input. Afterward, click on Confirm Order. This step is crucial as it finalizes your intention to purchase Bitcoin. A confirmation message should appear indicating that your order is being processed. Next, click on Buy. This will initiate the payment process for your Bitcoin purchase. Ensure that the system indicates your transaction is being processed. Then click on Pay With to select your preferred payment method. A new screen should appear showing various payment options available to you at this stage. You will now see a message prompting you to choose how to pay. This is where you can select from several payment methods based on your preferences. Next, click on Apple Pay if you wish to use this method for your transaction. If you prefer a different payment option, you can choose accordingly. Alternatively, you can click on Debit Card as your payment method. This option allows you to use your debit card for the transaction, so ensure you have your card details ready. If you prefer to use a credit card, click on Credit Card. This selection will direct you to enter your credit card information for the purchase. After that, check the message displaying the total to pay. This amount should reflect the total cost of the Bitcoin you are purchasing. Verify this amount before proceeding. Next, click on Deliver To. This is where you will specify the wallet address where your Bitcoin will be sent. Confirm that you are on the correct page before entering the address. Make sure that the wallet you are sending to supports Bitcoin. If it does not, your cryptocurrency may be lost. It is essential to double check this before. Now, click on Enter or paste a wallet address. This will allow you to input the destination for your Bitcoin. Ensure that the input field is active before you continue. At this point, type in the wallet address you want to send the Bitcoin to. Take care to enter the address accurately, as any mistakes could lead to loss of funds. Finally, click on Pay. This action will initiate the transfer of Bitcoin to the specified wallet address. Wait for confirmation that the transaction has been successfully processed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.